Hello, Team TFT. Welcome back to today's daily market outlook video. Today we're going to cover the DXY, the Euro USD, and the GBP USD charts. First, we'll jump over onto the economic calendar here. We can see here we've got no news up until midnight, a couple of hours into the New York session. We've got a bit of USD news there. So looking at taking in trades today, make sure you're a little bit wary of that. So we'll jump over here on the Dixie for the moment, and we'll see here that yesterday we broke this range that we've been stuck in. We've been stuck in this range for a few days now. We can actually jump out to the daily chart, and we'll actually see here that we set this daily bar, and we'd had 1, 2, 3, 4 days where we had not broken that range. And then obviously broke yesterday. Now, obviously still looking very bearish here. We've had a pull up. We can see here in this previous range, we've pulled up. We've perfectly tapped the 702 and now we're rejecting there. So anticipating to see a push further down. So now if we jump down to the 1 hour chart, we'll have a bit of a look here. So obviously just very bearish at the moment. We have come down and we've filled a little bit of this imbalance coming in through here, but ultimately just looking for further shorts here. Definitely a strong break yesterday. So we came down, we've touched the bottom of that zone. It sort of played around there for an hour or two and then ultimately broke it with conviction and has now come back. So there's a couple of opportunities we could see here. We may possibly see a retest back up to that previous support level. And test that for resistance and then come back down, or we may see a further just tank down. So we may see a break, retest internal, and then go short from there, ultimately coming down for these lows and ultimately to break those lows. So on the 15-minute chart, we'll have a bit of a look here and see if we can narrow down that analysis there. So we see here this area here. So we've come down, we've tapped, had a rejection, tapped, had a rejection, tapped, broke eventually, then retested and have ultimately dropped away. So it'll be this area here that I'd be looking forward to be possibly selling from on the Dixie. Sorry about that. Euro USD. So the Euro yesterday, literally London opened, saw a wick to the downside, London open, and ultimately just took off from there. Broke to the high side, never really gave us a retest in that area for an entry, but has ultimately taken off. So basically at the moment we can see here, let's go out to the 4 hour. We are up here bang on with this previous high through here. Right in the middle of it. So this being, the recent strong high, we could possibly see a rejection out, a small rejection out here before ultimately breaking through. But basically what we're looking for at the moment is to ultimately see that break. So today we may see a pullback for today to come back down and retest this previous resistance level as support, and test it as support and then go long. Or we see a break to the upside, retest, and then go long. So that's ultimately what I would be looking for. Coming down onto the 15-minute, we can see here. We've got this. We've come up, we've broken through that area with conviction. We've tested, and then gone away. So that's good. We've built a bit of a base there. Whether we need to come back down and touch and build more of a base, or whether we move forward from there, we'll have to wait and see. But yeah, basically for today, looking still with a long bias, 4 hours long, 15 minutes long, just looking for that long entry. But we are in this higher time frame area of POI, so we just got to make sure that we are going to not see a bit of a short-term like ABC rejection out of here before going long again. With GU, we can get rid of a few of these. So GU is obviously gone long here. Let's go out to the 4 hour. So GU is ultimately just range bound here at the moment. We can see here it's range bound in here in this range. So, you know, it's just trading in a range. That's all it's doing. So, we'd like to see it break one way or the other, based on the other two pairs. We would imagine it breaking high. So if it's going to break high here, we're obviously looking long. So 4 hours not giving us much, it's just giving us a range bound. So if we are looking, 15-minute definitely is long. 15-minute definitely is long here. So what we would be looking for is ultimately a possible pullback into some lower areas here. So we have got this impulse from low. Oh God, wrong tool. This impulse from low to high. So we'd be wanting to see a pullback, possibly down into these areas around that Asian midline to go long from. That would be an area of interest for a trade. So we've got the last minor pullback before going long in here, or we can come down here to the 702 where we've got this big doji candle in here, which also incorporates a 702 and the Asian midline in there at the same time. So that would be an area of interest for me as well. So looking for that, if it goes long from here, we wait for an Asian line mid test and then go long from there. Righto, guys, thanks for jumping on today. Appreciate your support, and I'll catch you all on tomorrow's video. Thanks for watching another daily market outlook video. If you enjoyed it, please give this video a like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like it. Also, guys, we are the largest Tradesmen Forex group tailored to helping hundreds of tradesmen get their time back through trading. If you want access to structured education, 18 live sessions across 7 days a week, mental health and mindset support from a qualified psychologist, and access to multiple different trading strategies from 10 different mentors, then jump over to our website at www.teamtft.co.uk. Please remember, this is not financial advice, and you should not trade based on anything I have said in this video. This is just my own opinion and nothing more. And remember, manage your risk, stick to your plan, and secure those profits. Have a ripper day.